Disclaimer. Algorithmic trading tool will not accept liability for any loss or damage which may arise directly or indirectly from the content on this YouTube channel in any way or using our trading tools and indicators from any ideas, comments, trading suggestion, which from parts of this YouTube channel and in whatever or whichever various markets you choose to trade or using whatever instrument. It's Andrew from Algorithmic Trading Tools, and this video I would like to explain you our system indicators. So we have three indicators, and the fourth one, it's called a zigzag. Zigzag, it's just for the system analyzing trend and structure. It's used internally, but externally I'll put on a graph as well. And right now in front of me 2 hours Bitcoin, the graph. Periods of our indicators mentioned, it's periods of moving averages. As you can see, the slowest one is magenta, medium it's blue, and the fastest one is yellow. As you know, with simple strategies, when the lines crossing each other, it's moving averages typical strategy. And I would like to show you difference between our indicators and moving averages. First of all, our system predicting when it's a trend can change the direction, and we design it slightly different logic for the different indicators. So have a look. This magenta indicator, the slowest one, should be as a moving average line, will be a bit far away from the price. But sometimes, because there is a different logic, so we have a blue one and yellow one with the same logic and magenta with different logic. And if you use a free moving averages, like you see there is on the graph, it's a free moving averages. So if you're using the free moving averages, you can't really get this very important signal about the change in trend direction, but with our system you can. Typically the magenta one should be like under the blue one, but sometimes the magenta it's coming above the blue one, so it's very important indicator because it's telling so soon will trend changed again, and the trend changing, as you can see here, trend changing. And usually when it's the trend in the full power, the magenta line is supposed to be like this is a Bitcoin, no, like here, for example. You see there is a magenta line under the blue one, and trend is keep going high and higher. And here the system already switched to the bearish trend, but the moving average is still telling you, so you should like buy and buy and buy. As you can see, our system reacting on a trend a lot faster than moving averages, so there is a huge lag for the moving averages in comparison with our indicator, and this is a big advantage. What's going on right now with Bitcoin? So as you can see, the Bitcoin is
I don't believe in Elliott waves. I believe in zigzag because you can find millions versions of the Elliott waves on the same graph.
And zigzag indicator is telling you, so it's all, every movement is going like a zigzag. And this is pretty clear. Looks like correction, it's not stopped yet. All the indicators, if it's flipped from one side, so for the powerful trend we need the three indicators should situate it from one side altogether under the price or above the price. So if it's above the price, it's bearish trend, and here the bullish trend. And the bearish trend was up to 23rd of July, and you see there's even moving averages and our indicators, it's flipped in 1 point. Our indicators and moving averages still it's pointing higher because our indicators controlling the fractals, like it's high and lows of the price, and controlling the logic of indicators also. It's calculating volatility. So instead of acting like a false acting, our indicators more correctly following the trend. So you see that here there is magenta line, still it's showing that it's the bearish trend, but all three moving averages already crossed here. So like it gave you this false signal, so trend going up, but our system didn't tell that the trend changed. So then we have like it's a mix between the indicators, some of them up and below the price. It's not really trading time, but here there is a trading time. So let's have a look at the SP 500. This is SP 500 and 1 hour time frame, and as you can see our magenta line already crossed the blue one. Soon trend will change direction from bullish to bearish, because magenta line is already above the blue one. As you can see, there's the three moving averages still pointing up the trend, but our system is already, our indicators already warning you that the trend will change soon. I expected the changes of the trend on Friday, but every Monday they changed on the trend. It can be like a short correction, it could be like huge correction, like it's happened 1 year ago. Also, the trend started Monday, so it's Monday is a trend changing day. As for proof of this indicator, when it's the one line it's crossing this now one, I could show you in June happened when the magenta line again across the blue one, and the one that's in advance that will be correction, and correction happened. So let's see what's going on, and I'm expecting a correction from Monday on SP 500 according to our indicators. And again, yes, you have to also take into account fractal system. This is it about the indicators. If you want to play around with this system and indicators, I left links under the video. So download MetaTrader, open Ingot Broker account, demo account, so it's free of charge. MetaTrader downloading free of charge, Ingot Broker account, open demo account free of charge. If you'll be happy and confident with a demo account, you can open a trade account. The trade account, all your money will be kept in Australia. It's a pretty safe country with stable economy, and we have a very tough legislation, so it's really well protect your all finances, and you can find the template called the comparison in my trading system. So it's SuperAdvisorSorokin. This is a template for the trading, and SuperAdvisorSorokin comparison. This is a template for your playing around with this all the indicators. So just scroll down and download and play around, and I will prepare the new video how to trade, because I wanted to show in the real time when it's market open. Today is a Saturday, so the market closed, Hope you enjoyed this video. All the best and see you next time.